it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this 2021 Coleman 17B. This is a single axle unit, very lightweight. On the front of the unit you do have a good sized storage space, nice large awning. Go ahead and take a look inside. So right up front is your bed. There is a nice little shelf over the bed. It does have an AC, good radio, some cabinetry, your dinette. There is a table for it. It's on the rear bunk back here. So you got a top bunk and a lower bunk. There's your table. Past that is your bathrooms. Of course, you got a toilet. And over here you get a nice large shower. Does have a Greystone microwave and an Everchill refrigerator. 2 burner Suburban stovetop. Single basin sink. Got some drawers and cabinetry. And then down here is a nice large fireplace, which is great because when you're hooked up to shore power, it will keep this unit, with the size that it is, it will keep this unit warm on those 40, 50 degree nights without having to turn on your propane. If you'd like to check this unit out in person, come see it at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.